Hi everyone! So I just cleaned the inside of my oven and it's nice and sparkly and shiny, but in so doing I realized there's actually a little bit of dirt in between the panes of glass here. So it's not too bad. Much better since I cleaned the inside. But while I'm at it, why not do the whole oven, right? Make it all look really good. So I am going to show you how to clean between those panes of glass. So all I've done literally is take the drawer out from underneath. It will make this a whole lot easier. Now, in doing that, you will see that there's actually popcorn and stuff underneath there because I don't take that, drawer off very often. So I am going to use the Flexi with the dust fiber on it to clean underneath here because I might as well while it's open, right? So, oh, look at that. Peanuts and everything. I'm just going to move it to the side so that I don't kneel in it. But you could also use your floor system to do that. See, lots of good stuff in there. So while I'm at it, I'm going to do the gaps between the cupboard and the stove, and on this side the stove and the wall. So literally, I'm just going to take the Flexi and I'm going to insert it in there, and it goes almost all the way back there. But it certainly goes back far enough that it's getting most of the dirt that I drop in there, that's for sure. And I can also get the baseboard part here that doesn't get cleaned very often because I don't move my stove. So that's a quick and easy. Now, if you've spilt stuff and it's run down the side here, you could, I'm just using the dust one, but you can flip the wet one onto it. All right, so now I am going to switch from the dust fiber, and it says right on it, dust, and there's a little right here, there's a water drop with an X through it. That means use this fiber dry. So you don't want to get your dust fiber all wet. I'm going to switch and put on the blue fiber. So this one, whoops, put it on the wrong way. So it literally just has like a little elastic, and there's a hook right here. If I move it there, you can see it right there. And you just flip the elastic around there. But on this tag, there is a water drop right there with a line on it, meaning use it wet. So you could kind of run this fiber under the faucet. I'm just going to use my cold water from my spray bottle and wet my fiber. You don't want it like dripping wet, but you want some water in there. So if you've dripped anything down the side like I typically do, this will clean the edge of your stove so that you don't have to pull the whole oven out every time you spill, like every time you cook like me. So it does do a really good job. And if you've got like a spill that's really, really bad, you might want to take your oven out and do a really good job, but this gets the majority of it. But the whole purpose of this was to clean between these panes of glass. So not every stove, but most stoves have the ability to use the Flexi. So this is called the Flexi because you can bend it however you need to. If you feel at the bottom of your door, so the part that moves, mine has 3 kind of maybe that size holes in them. Some have 1 hole, some have 2 holes. It all depends on the make and model of your oven. But it's big enough that this fits in there. So you just want to take your Flexi and bend it however you need to get it to go up. So can you like open the door there? See, you can see that. That's in between. So if I move this, you'll see that it's not that it's behind the oven door. It's in between there. So literally, you're just going to move that around in there, and it's catching both sides of the glass, and it's removing any of those little bits that are in there. So quick, easy, and effective. You don't have to take your glass off of your oven door, because quite often that will void your warranty. We don't want to do that, right? And literally all I used was cold water. Then you can take this off, toss it in the washing machine, hang to dry. So easy. You never have to have a messy oven door anymore. If you have any questions, please contact me. Bye, everyone.